Hello, and welcome to my dirty, filthy hob. See? Filthy. Filthy. Now, thanks for tuning in, and today a video is gonna be about making some food, because like tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of your emails I receive every day saying, yeah, you can, fix up a car, unscrew some bolts, screw them back in, but can you cook some food? And I was like, no, I can't. I'm not an expert. But I know one recipe which I came up with ages ago, and the video was uploaded onto YouTube, but in Lithuanian. So I decided to make it for you in English. Okay, so this is my recipe. I came up with this because if you've seen it served somewhere else, that means the person copied it from me, and he's now profiting from me. Okay, so let's begin. This is a quick preparation food again. No major timeage is involved in making this food. So what you need is a bowl like that, squarish or whatever, it doesn't matter, you fill it in. Okay, so from memory you begin with that garlic bread. So this is, see, baguettes sliced up, and you've got garlic and herbs in between them. You begin with those. Let's get the light on. There, see? A lot better. Okay, so take these out, break them, put this one to the side, then bring the next one, the end, better the end, yes. And then the goal here is for this cheese and garlic and goodness to be on the top. So you stack it like that. So this is to the top. Sometimes it sticks to another surface, so then you would have to scrape it with a knife or something, so it sticks to this, and stick it to this side. Okay, so this one, see, this one has there and there, so I'm gonna help out this dude and take this goodness and rip it off the bottom there. That. Now take the other one, start doing exactly the same. Boom. Will we fit? It'll be a fit like that, I think, because we're gonna put some cheese in between and onions. Let's do it like that. Okay, so next thing you do is take Mattison's smoked sausage and cut it like so, in big chunks. Not big chunks, biggish chunks. 2, 3, 4, even 5 mil chunks. Beautiful. Yes. Now, yes. Now you put them everywhere here around. In between In between now, a bit more cheese in between. Let's put them around here. There and here and there and here. Whatever, yes. Yes, beautiful. Big chunky one there. Now, what you do is get some onions. I've already pre-cut mine, so you don't have to watch me cutting an onion. Open it like so, thin strips, and put them there and there, on each one of them. That will be your juicy middle when this is all ready. So this onion will be the juicy, tasty thing covered in garlic and herbs. So now what you do is put some cheese on, and before you put the cheese on, you can probably go a little bit over all this. I'll just cut it over all this with a little bit of ketchup, so then it will boil inside in the oven, and you'll just add that extra goodness to all of this. You probably guys are thinking, what is this amazing food called? What is the name for it? And I was like, this tastes so good, it should be called the, whatchamacallit, King's food or royal food. So that's the name I gave it. I named it royal food. And every time my son wants it, he calls it by the name. He says, "Daddy, I want some royal food." And he is expecting this, what you're seeing here. Cheese, cut them up. You're basically building a house. See? Then you layer it, then you put some struts up as well. Okay. Now, so this level is done. I never tried this, but you could put a little bit of mayonnaise for extra moist in the middle when you bite into it. Let's try this. Okay. Then you pick up this thing and you go same over again. You wanna brick it? If you wanna brick it, please, I don't mind, because sometimes I've just laid it like that, then sometimes I bricked it. But hey, I'm no expert. What do I know? Okay, so let's brick it then. This one here. This one here. And there's a little bit splitting. So there. This one's greedy, he wants to greed. Okay, and the last one, yeah, that's it. And same as you've done before, I use those as well, yeah. I cut a little bit off and I put them in like that, you know, just to cover the gaps. Like there, for instance, there's the little one. This one doesn't have a lot of goodness on it left, but still there's a bit. Let's put it in here. Okay, and again, you've got onion. That's a full onion you will be needing for this royal food. Like that, and like that. Now, again, you can either spray a bit of mayonnaise, or you can go on top. With this one, I'm going mayonnaise on top, because the bottom layer had mayonnaise on these and then cheese, and I'm gonna do this one, cheese, mayonnaise on the cheese, just like that. Okay. This looks perfect. 1, 2. Don't need to cut it. We're just making as we go along. Okay. So, like I said, this one is cheese. This one is cheese. And then you go on a second level. You go with the leftovers of your onion. All fill it in the corners where you see a gap, just everywhere. Boom, 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 just fill it. Because you don't want to waste it, you don't want to throw it away. There. They will be glorious, these onions, when they're cooked in the oven. Okay, and let's put one there in the middle. Beautiful. English shrapnel. Then I would suggest a little bit of mayonnaise around the corners onto that sausage and all that onion. There. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. Now, little sausages to hold the lid shut on the cheese. Some leftover sausages going in there. And I've got a little bit of sausage left that will come in handy later on. And bit of ketchup. There we are. No farting. Now let's get the oven going. Ooh, I set it for 190 and leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, come and check on it. If it's not burning, then it's probably done. If it's burning, then you should have looked at it earlier. Just some extra strips, last minute fixes to make it beautiful and presentable. Look at that. Onions. There. See? That's a huge double stacker. Now, you put it in the oven. In the oven. That's it. So now we wait half an hour, and then we're gonna check what comes out of it. Okay, so 20, 25, 29 minutes has passed. It's near the end. I can hear that the clock is near the end. I'm gonna get my glove because this is gonna be hot. Half an hour in the oven. Whoop, 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 whoop. This might be hot. Okay, so I'm ready. Now I'm gonna need plates to dish out this goodness. Okay, I'm gonna need some forks. And a little bit of tomato if required. Okay, so the clock stopped. It's that moment. It smells so good. The pussy. Oh. Still cooking. You can hear. This smells glorious. Let's do the dishing. The dishing out. Okay, so we're gonna move you a bit there. And this will be for my Sonny boy. Sonny boy will have the top layers and top layers. And then I'm gonna give him some crust. I'm gonna give him some sausages. Maybe I'll give him another one. He's a growing organism. He needs lots of food. And this is good for him. There we are. Baby! Come here! C'è.
Thanks, Dad.
No problemo. Now leave. Okay. So this, the rest of this goodness, he's probably gonna want more, so he'll be back. And the rest of this goodness probably will be, if there's anything left, for tomorrow. This is amazing when heated for like 5 minutes, then it's rock solid, but it is amazing preheated as well. Put it in the microwave. Next day, a bit of fresh ketchup, the pussy. Okay, I'll have this one, so I'll stuff these into my face, then I'll be back to these. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, all that yada yada yada, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.